had to take one and just run this shit back. Sailor flame, I know I'm hotter than that. Told you before, know this deeper than rap. We been up in the cap, ain't no cap. Just bought the block where they didn't want me at. Just threw a fest right across from the tracks. Try to take my world, but I got that bitch back. My heart in this slow heart attack. Running this shit to cardiac. Now far from this shit.
Monica, is Ty a nice guy? What, Monica?
Nigga coming up, I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back, tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop.
Time money. What is good, YouTube? Hey, boy got a cut, man. Boy looking fresh, you know? Looking fresh. It's another day. We at the park. I don't know how many guys there is right now, but we're finna run a quick little game real quick. And we're about to get it. I think we're finna go to 12, so 1s and 2s.
Subscribe, everything, man. Show love to the boy, for real.
Appreciate you, man.
Support another black man's dream.
Yeah.
Shit. Bro, just give value, bro.
Yeah.
You feel me? It don't even gotta be like, to be honest, just boast. Like, you'll get further from being the person that takes action than being the person that's trying to plan but never take action.
Right.
For real. Like, I've watched it happen, bro. Like, you could plan out 12, 15 videos and you never do shit. But the person that just got out there and just started talking, they subscribers is building up every day.
Every day, right.
They shit adding up every day. It may not look
just
like,
from the consistency.
Exactly. So it don't even matter if you don't feel like you have any content, just talk, bro. And if people don't, because remember, people gonna fuck with you for you. If they don't, that's your story. If people don't fuck with it, it don't matter. They don't gotta fuck with it. It's your story. Some people gonna fuck with it. For me, so
some people don't.
You never know who's watching. Like, you could post a video, 1,000 people see it, 100,000 people see it, and you touch one person, so that one person you change their life. Just because it was consistent. So just be consistent with that shit, bro.
Time money.
Try money.
Lost that game, man, but other than that, it was a good game, you know. Buddy with the do-rag was going off, bro. He hit the game winner on me. I wasn't really feeling my shot like that. We had a pretty good lead and we blew it, you know. Our defense wasn't really there. Could have worked on the defense a little bit more, but we had a good lead, man, and we really blew it. Gotta get me a win next time, man. So I'll see you guys next week in another video.
What can I say? Mamba out.